Vanakkam, welcome to my channel Thrive with Selvi. Today I am going to cook green bean fries. Green bean fries are a tasty, nutritious and delicious way to enjoy green beans. Green bean fries are a healthy alternative to the regular French fries. Long time back I had green bean fries at a restaurant in US and it was very good, but they made it with the egg and breadcrumbs. So I wanted to try a different method using Indian spices without egg. So that is how I came up with this recipe. Everyone loves this recipe in our house. So now I am going to show you how to make green bean fries. It is very simple and easy to make with a few ingredients. So I am going to add the spices, chili powder, cumin powder, and asafoetida. Asafoetida is a gum resin extracted from various species of perennial herb known as ferula. It is a staple ingredient in Indian cuisine. Asafoetida is used mostly in savory dishes to increase the distinct flavor of the dish. Asafoetida is known for its digestive benefits. That is why it is commonly used in lentils like dal and other Indian vegetables. Now I am going to add the besan flour. It is also called chana flour, and then the rice flour and salt. Now I am going to add water. First I am going to mix it. And now I am going to add water little by little. Don't add too much, add water little by little. And start mixing it. When you are adding water, add water only little by little, because we want this consistency to be thick. The main thing in this recipe is the consistency has to be very, very thick. Only then you will get the crispy texture. So you don't have to coat the whole fries with the dough. It should be, if the dough is like this, only in some parts that is enough, because only then you will get the crisp texture as well as the softness of the beans. So now it is mixed well, and see the consistency of the beans and the dough mixture. It is thick. It has to be like this. It is a little bit difficult to take it and put it in the oil, but the consistency has to be like this for a perfect green bean fries. Now we are going to fry the green bean fries. So heat a heavy bottomed pan and add oil. I am using canola oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. Now we can test the oil by adding little bit of the batter to the oil. If it floats up, then the oil is ready. Take one bean at a time and add it. Once the top portion is cooked, you can gently turn it. If you don't want to deep fry it, you can also bake it in the oven or in the air fryer. So when you are doing it in the oven or air fryer, spray canola oil spray or avocado oil spray, and then you can make it. Once the bubble stops, the green beans are ready and we can take it out. Now we can repeat the same thing again. So it can be served either as an appetizer or as a side dish. When you are serving it as an appetizer, you can serve it with any chutney or a dip. Or when you are serving it as a side dish, this goes very well with the rice, with dal or with more kulambu. More kulambu is a yogurt based curry. Now the green bean fries are ready and we can taste it. It tastes so great with the perfect crunchiness and the softness of the green beans. Try it at home and enjoy it and share your comments. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you all soon with more exciting recipes.